Hey guys, this is OofyTrader again. I'm just trying to shoot a very quick video um, for the indicator which I have been working on for last couple of weeks. Seems like it's pretty much working for me, but I'm doing a little bit of fine tunings to make sure that I'm going to catch the right things at the right time. There's a lot of potential I noticed. If any of you watched my previous video, I mostly do investments, but sometimes I do quick scalp if I'm free, and that is best on the EMA actually. And this is the strategy I also implement for my long-term investment. So if you guys look at my screen right now, so I'm literally dealing with all those EMAs. So this is 200 EMAs, and this is 100 EMAs, this is 50, this is 29, and then this is 9 EMA. This EMAs I coded in such a way that they are dynamic. If the value is going up and down, the colors are changing here. And my strategy is basically when all those EMAs are in the systematic order, you can see here, I normally don't take before the market open. After the market open, I wait for a couple of seconds or minutes and then I take a trade. So here is one of the best example. I can enter, and then as long as the stock stays above the 9 EMA and 29 EMA is green and the stock is not touching 29 EMA, either in the up direction or down direction, same trend I follow. And then literally I literally, if you look here, stock didn't touch here and my 29 EM is still green. I can take exit here actually. Definitely this was my exit criteria. I hold normally waiting for the stocks to touch 29. However, I realized I wanted to add a little bit of more additional confirmations. That is why I was looking for a few other indicators which can give me clear on, because currently my scanner scanning, if the stock price is above all those EMAs and EMAs are one after another, 20 this EMA is less compared to this one, compared to this one, compared to this one. So systematically I'm checking all of them, and if the stock price is above 29 EMA and those color candles are as per my requirement, then it just give me the stock symbol. And beyond that, I wanted to apply a few of the other indicator. So I use MACD as a very normal indicator to take a help. Along with that, I use this trend speed analyzer by this guy actually. And if you guys wanted to use this one, this is my setup. You can take a screenshot. I use 50 and 5, and then look back period is 100, and these are my current settings. um, Visibility also I have not changed anything. That is one indicator, and then the other indicator I'm using MACD. However, I tweaked a little bit. I wanted to show what I did actually. I took 50 and 200 as a fast and the slow moving. The signal, soothing signal, I took as 30 actually, and then EMA, this oscillator as well as the signal line EMA is the 50. Sorry, signal line MA is also EMA actually. And here, what I did, I just disabled that histogram because I don't need actually. So histogram is not giving me clear indication. However, I rely on this my MACD and signal, and zero line I made it a little thicker so that it's visible down. I will show you. And then this line is green. So this is how I analyze. Look at here exactly time frame, this screen and this screen. This blue line is above the this orange line from this time frame, and if you look at this time frame, I got a buy signal here through my EMA strategy actually. So from this time we can hold it, and then as long as this two line stays above, I mean the blue line above the orange line, and then those candles are going up as per this trend speed analyzer, because this is one of the good indicator I realized. And thanks to that guy who wrote this one, um, it just continuously keep giving the green candles all the way here actually. And if you see here, this is exactly the same point it's meeting, where exactly my condition, the EMA strategy condition, says me I need to get out from here. This is my long position, not a short position. So now take a look at the short position. Look at here. So here, if we look at a short position, so I'm going to disable this one. I think all of you got the indicator. So here, look at this position. By this position, I got a sell indicator from my EMA strategy. Plus, this blue line went down below the orange line, and then these candles are going downwards. So that means it's an indication that it's going down. My EMA strategy plus MACD plus this guy's indicator is enough for me to justify whether I should take a short position or a long position. This this indicator, just ignore. I don't know right now. I'm testing, but I don't need actually, because one indicator plus two indicators, so total three indicators is enough for me to justify whether I should go for a long or short. I don't want to do anything else, because if you guys see here, this is gonna avoid me the false positive, because when these EMAs are zigzag, I don't take any trade, because that's not my strategy. Only the strategy is when all of them are going off trend, and then when it's not in a systematic order, then I just don't take trade. So EMA strategy eliminates a lot of false positive actually, and that's how I take the trade. Hopefully you guys like this one. um, those indicators are available in the market, right? This is just a little bit tweak what I did with respect to my EMA strategy. If any of you need this EMA indicator, just comment me. I'll send you directly, because I have not made it public. I'm still testing. I am profitable almost quite a bit, but I wanted to continue testing this strategy. So over the time, what I'm going to change actually, based on, right now I'm scanning stock based on my EMA condition, because literally if you see, my EMA strategy is going to give me find out stock when this condition fall, because everybody is down right now, all those EMA, and they are all down systematically one after another. And here I want to combine these two logic in my scanner actually. So going forward, I will get very limited stocks which is above $50 billion market cap or whatever I look for, and then so that I will get very less stocks to trade, and they are the potential stock. So I'll be testing once everything done, then I can make another video in near future. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is the strategy I normally follow. If you guys like, give a thumbs up, so that this is going to encourage me to make a lot of video, because I just make video and upload because I'm learning and I'm doing myself, and I made a lot of progress myself. So I don't want to keep my knowledge so that any of you are learning as a newbie, like few other trader, they try to learn. So then this is kind of sharing the knowledge, so all of you can get benefited out of that. And thank you so much for watching my video. See you again in some other video.